So again, good evening, everyone. Very excited and honored to be here. My name is Stav, and I co-founded the Savee.ai. And basically, we bridge the gap between misinformation and facts on social media. When me and my team met, it was in a hackathon targeted technological solution, for Holocaust Memorial. And as all of us third generation to Holocaust survivors, it was very important for us that the next generation will have the ability to know, to remember, and like more than we have, and we had our grandparents that told us. So during our research, we were overwhelmed by the misinformation and misconception that we identified about the Holocaust. What made us think about what will make those next generation to actually remember, and we understand that the social media is the platform for it. So basically, Savee is a Google Google extension that knows to identify a sentiment of text, in the future also video and audio, know to catalyze it and compare it with a set of verified facts that we built in a closed database. This is the first stage, and then he knows how to generate a counter response according to the subject he was classifying the text he identified, and then he goes to the social media platform, identified the right place of the comment text box of the user, and place the response there. So basically, it's a tool, it's a user tool. It's built as an assistant for people who wants to be an ambassador of truth and doesn't have the ability either to write in English or to have the exact fact that they need at the time in order to answer. Yeah. And so our goal, again, was to first simplify and make it easier for users to bridge the gap between misinformation or misconception and facts, which are usually archived, and to do it fast, free, and automated. Regarding the technology, so basically, we are using the first stage of indexation, the same as any AI tool is doing. We identify the context, is it misinformation, misconception, denial, anti-Semitism, etc. And then we have the stage of comparing it to a verified fact. Then we have the AI hallucination check when we involve both automatic control and human controls about the answers being generated. And we use a specific system which is closed and doesn't allow the AI to go behind the boundaries that we decided. And then we have the social media function that just directs the tool directly to the text box of the user. And that's it. We'll be happy to answer questions.